Hey Vlad, how long have we been editing this video for?
Brother, we've been here for 4.5 hours editing a video that was supposed to be posted yesterday. First video is finally exporting. Look at that. Day 1 complete. And it's only, 11 p.m. on day 2. All right, good morning everyone. This is the beginning of day 2. We're in Reno and we're about to go to Utah. Oh baby, 832 kilometers of straight driving on one highway. This is the first stop on our drive to Utah, and look at this, ready?
Oh, that's a beauty.
One medium pizza each. We are really dining in luxury here at the our local hood Chevron. Here it is.
Let's dig in. All right, cheers.
Oh, this looks glorious.
Cheers.
Cheers, brother. Wow. A plus. All right, brother. Enjoy the ride. Sasha's on the wheel now.
Yes, sir. What are these boys?
We got some Rockies out here. All right, guys. This is basically Nevada for you. A tunnel every hour, and then the exact same scenery for the rest of the drive. We got 2 hours and 15 minutes left. Look at this. So we're like just minutes away from Utah, and there's finally civilization over here. This is us almost crossing the Utah border. That dotted line is the Utah border. Here we go. We're the yellow car.
Different time zone.
And oh yeah, look at that. Welcome to Utah.
Life elevated.
Beauty, and that's us. We just passed the border. My goodness, so we thought Nevada was boring, but look at this. There's absolutely nothing. And this is just like Canada, guys. Just like Canada all over again. Look at all the salt. And we're just about to hit Salt Lake City. Brother, check out our home. Look at the size
tiny
of that.
home.
It truly is tiny.
Oh my goodness.
Wow, look at that.
I can't wait to go inside.
There it is. This is gonna be our home for an entire week right here. All right, Sasha, get in there. Oh, look at this. Full kitchen right here. We got like a nice little sink, a full kitchen, all the drawers.
Sleeping up top, I think.
Look at all this. And you may be wondering where we are sleeping. It is right up there. Very questionable ladder. Oh man, going to the washroom is gonna be horrible.
Extreme.
Oh, it's beautiful in here. I'm just up here at the top, and then down here there's Sasha, and that's the whole house. Oh my goodness, look at this bathroom. Sasha, why don't you give us a tour here?
We got our mirrors, in case you want to see yourself in the morning. It's a beauty, honestly. Got a nice shower.
Bro, get more. Get more. Get at least like 10 in there. Brother, get all the bananas. Get them all.
Vlad, how long do you think this food will last us?
Given our current eating habits, I wouldn't even be surprised if we finish this in 2 days. Brother, we're feasting for the next week. Brother, the sandwich factory is about to begin, eh? Spread it. Oh, yeah. So you just take a load, slap it on there. Bam. Bam. Sandwiches are almost ready. Well, you can never have too much meat, right? And the last one, when you have an extra, you know what you do? You gotta buckle it up into a ball, and then, oh, delicious. Have a good night.
Good night.